How to verify Venmo business account. To verify a Venmo business account, you must complete the identity verification process within the Venmo app by providing information and potentially uploading documents to confirm your business or personal identity. So what here you need to do is open a Venmo app on your device and tap the Me from the bottom of the page. After which you want to navigate to your business profile from a drop down menu at the top of the Me tab. As you've done that, you then need to tap onto the gear or settings icon, usually in the top right corner. Then you simply want to make sure to go ahead and select identity verification. So here it is. You want to simply select identity verification, and once you've done that, you will be prompted to this page where you want to tap on the next button. Now, Venmo first attempts to verify your information automatically. If that fails, you will be prompted to manually upload a document, and that is basically gonna help you out verify your business account on Venmo. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.